Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the camera model and firmware so you know what reset method applies. Once done, make sure you have the admin user, the camera IP, and a small reset tool like a paperclip. Plug the camera into power and LAN and ensure your PC is on the same subnet so you can reach the web interface or SAP utility. Now open the browser or SAP to access the device. This first connection sets up the rest of the reset process. You will perform the hardware method next because it's reliable for most models. Insert and hold the reset pin for about 10 to 15 seconds until the LEDs flash or the unit reboots. Keep power attached the whole time. Once the camera restarts, wait for it to fully boot and then scan for it in SAP or access via default IP. If the unit still has settings, log in and choose Factory Default Restore from Maintenance to ensure all custom. You finish by reconfiguring the admin password and network details right away to secure the device. Defaults are a vulnerability. Next, update firmware to the latest supported release to prevent issues and restore any needed settings from backup. If you can't reach the camera after reset, check one key troubleshooting step. Swap the Ethernet cable and try a different PoE injector or power adapter, then use SAP to rediscover the device. If still blocked, repeat the reset while watching LEDs to confirm the sequence executed correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.